Good thing I'm trying to sleep right now. This is Bella, and she had a very full day today. And took a long walk, followed by some ice cream. And now she's all pumped with it. Imagine sleeping with this every night.